whole spiral strap thing going on.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
Police, they know you got warrants. They're coming for you. Act cool. Maybe they won't get you.
I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
This is cool. I wonder if they actually get in here and sit.
Thanks to copyright rules about the music playing in the original video clip, my AI voice will now lifelessly sub in for what Rosie is saying, and a little extra because it will be funny. Bum 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 da bum chica bum da bum, shaking it and oh, look at this freaking bird. Yo, this is cute as hell, bruh.
We're gonna go find a hot girl bike.
Oh look, I found a bike already here in the bike section. What are the odds? And this one looks like a motorcycle as well. You guys, don't forget there's bloopers at the end, okay? They're pretty funny and it would be a shame for them to go to waste. There's starving kids in Africa who don't get bloopers, you know?
So cute.
Oh my gosh, look, it's a puppy. Can't you hear how excited I am in my voice? B is for Bentley or balls, but more on that later. Notice how I'm not grunting as I do this. It's because I'm not a fatty, not to shame anyone or anything like that, but you know, you do be grunting a lot.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Check this out, gonna do a close flyby here and wait for it. Then yep, she's looking at me, bum. Called it. And then here's another one you'll see in a second. Who do you think it's gonna be? It's you. I caught you peeping over there. What do you guys think would happen if I touched this car? It's like that guy would probably tell on me. Okay, now his line of sight is blocked. Poop, poop, got it. This one. Whee! Right, here it is, the funny bits that were cut from the more proper video.
Alright, what's your favorite car?
My favorite car?
Yeah, what's your favorite car?
Like here?
Yeah.
Are you recording me?
Yes.
I didn't have anywhere else to walk.
Come back. Alright.
I heard the.
What are you doing? You gonna find your car? Your bike? You're gonna find a bike?
Yes. Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna go find a bike. Let's see what a hot girl bike looks like.
Alright, do that again. Start over.
Okay.
Talk to the camera.
Bro, no. So, we're here. I don't know what to talk about. I don't know what I'm doing. I was just told to talk. I'm a little camera shy. It may not seem like it, but I am. Here's the person that's making me talk to you. Look at this awesome car. Can you look this way? No, fine.
Then I'm finally here, ladies and gentlemen. I give you balls.